First, we drank a lot of water. Next, let the bottles dry. Once they dry, we mark them with a Sharpie. The markings indicate where the cuts for the pencil, the string, and the food opening goes.
I always want to help brother.
Once we finished marking them, we cut the string from fishing line, using a ruler to get exact measurement. The fishing line will hang the bird feeder from the tree.
Next, brother got some used pencils. That is so the bird could poach while they eat their food.
Now it's time to cut the holes for the bottles. My dad started the cuts to make sure it was safe, so I didn't cut myself.
Next, brother is adding the fishing line. Almost ready for the food.
We took them outside and put the lids on them and started to fill them up. We used about 3 handfuls for each feeder. Okay, now it's time to hang them. We got one hung.
No, I don't have ties.
This tree over here. Yep, very good. Yep, good job. Okay, don't drop it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.